12 ways to keep your brain healthy. Number 1. Stimulation. Challenge your brain with puzzles, games, and new inputs. Number 2. Exercise. Consistent physical exercise will heal the brain and keeps it fit. Number 3. Proper diet. Eat food with proteins, unsaturated fat, fruits, and vegetables. Number 4. Safety. Avoid head trauma by wearing helmets and seat belts. Number 5. Sleep habit. Brain needs around 6 to 8 hours of sleep to process and recharge. Number 6. Learning. Keep your brain young by learning new things like a language. Number 7. Switch routine. Change the habit so that your brain can turn off the autopilot. Number 8. Be social. Interacting with trigger brain process and lowers the depression. Number 9. Manage stress. Try relaxation as stress exhausts your brain and hormones. Number 10. Read books. Words and stories reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Number 11. Avoid substance such as alcohol, drugs, and smoking. It is bad for your brain health. Number 12. Digital detox. Too much screen time impacts sleep and will overwhelm the brain. Thank you so much.